Hey guys, welcome back to What Would Dare You Wear. Today I am doing the Lolo's weekend pickups. It's been a few weeks, but of course I've been shopping, so I am here to share the items that I've purchased. I thought about doing all of my shoes and clothes together, but it seems like that'll make the video longer, so I'm gonna do a shoe haul and the Lolo's weekend pickups, but it's not going to include shoes. So anyways, we're here to talk about what I have purchased. So let's get right into it. If you are new here, I've shared that I shop with I've shared that I shop with Gypsy Queen. They're based out of California, and I purchased other sweaters from them in the past. I bought like 2 or 3 sweaters that are similar to the one that I'm about to share, but she recently released this sweater, which I was super excited about because brown, I normally don't wear brown, but I was like, man, it's something about it this year, this chocolate color that looks really good, and I wanted to try it out. So anyways, I got this from Gypsy Queen. This really cute tie-dye sweater. It's really good quality. It's $65 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $65, but she does offer Afterpay on her site, and it's just super cute. If you can see the safety pin closure, but I was super excited about this purchase because I love the color. So now I have 4 of these sweaters, and I've worn them like maybe once or twice, but not long enough, and not anywhere that I have actually been seen, honestly, which freaking sucks, but you know, it's a pandemic or a panoramic. So anyways, moving right along, my next item is from Lala, or Shop Lala, I can't remember, but I've mentioned them in other the Lolo weekend pickup videos. But I got this really cute shacket slash jacket, and I absolutely love it. There you go, just so you can see the quality of it. It's not heavy, but it's not really that lightweight. I think this was $98. Again, this is another brand that does Afterpay, so it works right, it works out. But it's really cute. It has pockets on the front on each side, and it has like a high-low situation going on, so the back is a little longer than the front. I think this would be cute with some like patent leather or some leather pants or some jeans. Just a really cute look. Simple, because this is like your statement piece. But I'm excited to wear that. The next piece, oh, this was from Gypsy Queen too. I just got this as well. It's this really cute sweatshirt that says Born Again Christian Dior. I thought it was freaking cute. So it's like an acid wash sweatshirt. I want to say this was like 60 bucks. She did have t-shirts and then the sweatshirts, but I've been buying a lot of sweatshirts, a ton of sweatshirts. And then I have another one that's on the way. It says, well, it has the S kind of off of it, and it says Saint Laurent, so I got that too, but it's just not here yet. So yeah, I will link these items. The next sweatshirt I purchased was from my sis Mel's brand, which is Kicks and Froze. I got this during the Black Friday sale that she was having, and I got it in a size extra large. Honestly, it is very oversized, which is what I usually want for my sweatshirts. And yeah, it's perfect with like some biker shorts, which is what I wore it with this weekend. But it's super cute. She has a few different colors that you can get it in. Definitely make sure you support her. I will make sure to link it in the description. My next item, I don't even know why I'm not doing these in order, honestly. This is from Ascot and Hart. They popped up as an ad on my Instagram, and I was like, okay, I really like this jacket. It's like kind of like a Shacket jacket sweater type of deal, but it's like this nice soft fur slash cashmere. I don't know. I just really love the color, and it's like a collared coat, and on both sides there are, I mean, I can't, it's so soft and slinky that I can't even really show you what it looks like because it's falling out of my hands. But anyways, it's very oversized. I want to say I got a medium. Yes, I got a medium. This was maybe 60 bucks. I think they have Afterpay or Klarna, either one. But it comes in black as well. But it feels so good. It does have some of that static going on, but I'm excited to wear it. It looks really, really good on. Okay. During Black Friday, I also got this really cute coat from Forever 21. This is a size large. It's a moto jacket, but it's like a Sherpa shearling deal. The normal price is $44.99, but I think I paid like $30 because they had 30% off. So we'll see if I keep it. I like what it looks like on, but again, with this weather, I don't know if we're gonna get cold enough weather for me to wear. I may be able to, you know, maneuver it when I'm on the East Coast, but we shall see. Very, very cute coat. Two other items that I got from Forever 21 was these cute cable knit pants. This is what they look like. They are so soft. They are like that chenille cable knit, like those really soft blankets that you get from like TJ Maxx, Ross, all that jazz. I got two different colors. I got this lilac color and I got this cream color. And I absolutely love them. This is a long, look at how long this tag is. Wow, okay. $24.99 is how much I paid for them. But I actually have gone back into Forever 21 since purchasing these a few weeks ago. And they were on sale. So I'll try to link them if I can find them online. But they have a drawstring waist. And they feel so good. I have not worn them yet, but I'm excited to wear them when it gets nice and really, really cool here, whenever that happens. And yeah, so I really like this purple color. This would be nice. I don't know exactly how I'm going to style it, but I think I had a few looks in mind, so we'll see. The last item that I have for this haul was a gift from my sis Melissa, and I really appreciate her. It's a tee from a brand. I want to say, shoot, I forgot the brand. I forgot the brand name, but I'll make sure to link it in the description. But it says Plant Gang. It's a G thing, and then it also said, "This ain't the life that I chose. It's the life that chose me." So, yeah, I'm a plant mom of almost 40 plants, so it just made sense. She got herself one and she got me one, and I love it. Thanks, Mel. But it is a black owned business that she purchased it from, so again, I'll make sure to link it in the description. I cannot wait to wear it because, you know, plant moms unite. But yeah, that's it for D-Lolo's weekend pickups. My next video will be a shoe haul because I bought a lot of shoes recently. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.